let you look. Let y'all look into my eyes. Oh shit. I got the munchies. Big old pop fly. Hold on. Yo, that was mad disrespectful, yo. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But still, yo, I'm gonna try. Why? Motherfucking, yo, man. Yo, let me tell you, right? Shouldn't believe I'm shy. Easiest thing I'll be playing. I think I'll be lying when I say I'm shy. Do get shy. It's true. Jojo. Get shy. I don't know why. The other day, I was typing this thing to this girl. Um, I was shy and nervous as hell. Cause I didn't know what she was gonna say, right? Yo, I'm tripping. But anyway, so yeah. And hold on. Okay. And what the fuck I was saying? And and oh yeah, I typed her the thing, and I was nervous and shy like a fuck. And I told her I was shy. She was like, "Why are you so shy?" And she said, "Why was you shy when I just typed it to her?" And well, I ain't never told her why, but yeah, you know what I mean. But now she done pissed me the fuck off, yo. You know what I mean? She done mad disrespected me, yo. I'm like pissed the fuck off. And she mad disrespected me. That was like, and I ain't even much tripping cause I'm high. For real, that was mad disrespectful, yo. It was just cooling and man, that was mad disrespectful, son. For real, know what I mean? Man, I'm about to get the fuck out the can. I'm pissed off. How the fuck you, man? Don't fucking look at me. None of y'all motherfuckers look at me. I'm fucking high. I'm fucking, hold on. Piss. Don't look at me. Good evening. I said good. Man, get the fuck out of here.